Location, cozy living room. The curious cat naps on a pillow near the wall. The Labrador is chewing a toy. Suddenly, cat ears twitching. Did I just hear ... whispering? She lifts her head, listening carefully. Voice muffled from the wall. Come. Find me, cat shot. What was that? She gets up, places her ear on the wall. Cat, there's definitely something behind this wall. She scratches at it and finds a loose panel. The Labrador comes over. Dog, you're digging. I'm in. Cat. No, it's serious. I heard a voice. Dog, even better. Behind the panel is a small tunnel lit by glowing stones. Cat. What ... is this in our house? Dog. Maybe it leads to a hidden snack room. They both crawl inside. As they go deeper, the whispers grow louder. Voice, closer, just a bit more. The cat starts to hesitate. Cat, maybe this was a bad idea. Dog happily, too late now. They enter a circular chamber. The walls shimmer with glowing patterns. In the middle is a strange object, a crystal ball floating. Voice from the crystal, you have found me. The dog tries to lick it. Cat smacks his nose. Don't touch random floating things. The ball glows and shows scenes of the past, the house being built, a cat who hid treasures here long ago. Voice, protect the garden. The treasure is yours to guard. Suddenly, a panel opens with old toys, shiny stones, and catnip. Dog, yes, we found snacks. Cat, that's not the treasure. Well, maybe a little. They exit back to the living room. The hole in the wall seals shut on its own. Cat, did that really happen? Dog mouthful, best day ever. They lie on the carpet, tired but happy. Cat smiling. Maybe boring days aren't so boring after all. Dog, snoring. Subscribe for more cat adventures. Don't forget to like and share.